Hold on, I lost it. We got to start from scratch. Okay, let's go over to this one. Maybe. Neil, this is Mech, so-and-so on the site. Mech who?
M61A1 Mech.
M61A1, and he's going to show us. He's going to show us how to do that in the pouring rain here.
Well, now I don't remember, but somewhere under here there's a drain cock for the radiator. You may have to pull these lower fairings out of the way.
Okay, all right.
And do that. That'll drain the main radiator.
Okay.
And you come and pull the 4 fake fins off of the motor, and there's drain plugs, freeze plugs behind these fake fins.
Okay.
Pull those out. Take an old screw spark plug.
Yep.
Screw it into the rubber bung. And it'll pull right out.
Gotcha.
When you do that, have something to catch the fluid, or it's going to run all over the motor.
Okay, now we're talking both sides.
Both sides, front and back.
Okay, now, so we got 1, 2, 3, those 3 screws right there, Neil.
Come out.
And then the fake cover comes off.
You got to pull this off too.
Okay. Oh, you got to pull this guy off too.
Yeah, and you got to pull the tank anyways, because you got to get to the radiator fill. The radiator cap is underneath the tank.
Gotcha. All right.
So
okay.
Pull the tank off. Pull these. Pull the side covers.
Gotcha. And then the side covers comes off, and those freeze plugs are about here.
Right about in here. Yep.
Right about in here.
Yep.
Screw a spark plug. Are you talking about a plug out of one of these bikes? That size of a plug?
Size, yep.
The little one? Okay.
Or if you got the right size screw, you could put that in. I forget what size it is.
And then is it an O-ring, so you just pull out on it?
It's a rubber barrel.
Gotcha. Okay.
Expansion plug.
Okay.
It's the top of the spark plug that screws in.
Yeah, right.
Gotcha.
And then pull that out, catch all the fluid that comes out.
All right.
Put the plugs back in.
Now, how about when he pushes them back in again, those O-ring plugs back in again?
Yeah.
Okay, and seals it back up. Closes the drain valve on his radiator.
Right.
All right. Now, for the refill, do you just refill it back through
Just refill it through the top.
There's no little air screw or something to get air out of the cylinders or out of the water jacket?
It'll fill up.
Okay, all right, gotcha.
Don't start the motor without these covers installed, because it'll blow those freeze plugs out.
Okay, all right. Very good, very good.
Easy to do.
There you go. Hey, it's pouring rain, man, but I got it. There's just something to work with anyway. Hey, thanks, Mr. Mech. Appreciate it.
You betcha.